guys? Rock here. It's been a minute. The other week I posted like 3 videos in the same week, and I think I've fallen a little behind. Work has been extra crazy. But here we are, Father's Day weekend. It's a beautiful day. The wind is calm, the sun is out. Can't ask for anything better than this. So what's been going on? Well, with me, just a lot of work and life bullshit. You guys ever have life bullshit? I think that's why we all ride motorcycles, right? I didn't understand wind therapy until I got on the bike the first time. Something very true to that. Life gets rough, jump on the bike. So yeah, other than that, not much is happening. Still talking about, you know, kind of planning a long ride trip here soon, I hope anyway. Still want to go down to southern Illinois, the Garden of the Gods, make a weekend trip out of it. But yeah, I kind of want to talk YouTube and content and, you know, expectations and tempering expectations. You know, I've connected with a few moto vloggers since I started doing this, and man, there's some good ones out there. You know, I've shouted out one already. There's another one I'd like to shout out. His channel name is White Line Rambler. I'll link him down in the description. Talk about a guy putting in work. He is putting in work. He's making lots of videos. He's been making lots of shorts. Me and him talked a little bit about algorithm one day through Instagram, and I was telling him, I was like, you know, I feel like shorts is kind of where it's at as far as exposure. I think a lot of people, you know, just like TikTok, like scrolling very short, you know, videos, you know, to the point, I guess. So I only posted one short so far. I need to get better at that. I need to figure that out. But he's done a lot of them. His content is funny, educational. You know, he likes to ride around his area up in Canada, and he talks about the history of the area, and it's really cool, man. He's done some things that I've never seen in videos before. So please go check him out. Tell him Rock sent you. He's a really cool guy and a fantastic beard. So check him out. Send some love. You know, we want to get some us newer moto vloggers some exposure. Yeah, he's planning some long trips. Like, he's coming down to the United States and doing like a Midwestern tour, kind of, which, man, that'd be awesome. I wish I had the means to do things like that. So definitely check him out. You know, follow him, because he's got a lot of great stuff coming, and you can enjoy everything he's done so far. So White Line Rambler, everybody, check him out. back to YouTube. I I've seen a lot of really cool like motovlog content, people doing things differently, and some it's like they don't have any talking, it's just rides. I've seen some cool chest mount, you know, angles, and some like 360 camera stuff. Very cool stuff. So I've kind of been inspired by that, and kind of thinking about, you know, what direction I'm going with my channel, and you know what I want to do. So I mean, I just love to ride. The talking piece is challenging, you know, coming up with things to talk about continuously without repeating yourself, and you know, trying to keep it as interesting as possible, but also like short content as well, because you know, I mean, even me, like I don't typically enjoy watching 40-minute videos a lot. You know, sometimes it's good, but you know, 10 to 15 minutes, that seems to kind of be the sweet spot. So making a video that's, you know, visually interesting and audio interesting. That was weird. Sorry, there's a big edit there. One, I started coughing, and two, like my Cardo switched to like FM radio or something. I don't know what the hell happened. So yeah, anyway, my plan is to continue to try to post once a week, you know, maybe more depending on what's going on that week. Maybe I got some extra time away from work or something. But one video a week. I think I'm really gonna try to do 2 shorts a week. You know, just to see what that does for the views and interactions and things. Like I'm not like in a big rush and big hurry to you know, do anything. I'm really just doing this for fun, just because, like, you know, I watch a lot of motovlogging and it just inspires the crap out of me, man. Like it's so cool to see, you know, rides from the rider's perspective, and I love talking about gear and all of that. So that's kind of my angle. Things take time. I think I'm at 60 subscribers now, and man, I appreciate everybody who's stopped by, and the friends I've made, and the conversations I've had around this, and interactions. It's just really cool, man. Like, and that's why I'm here. You know, it's not for me to quit my job or nothing like that. I'm not living in some fantasy world. I just like to do it. It's a cool hobby. So I really appreciate everybody tuning in and interacting the way they have. So yeah, I think that about does it for my talking topics of the day. I'm gonna have a lot of writing in today. I got a full day planned, so expect some content from this. Expect some shorts, some full-length videos, and appreciate everybody tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out White Line Rambler. Peace.